Hello, Brandy Davison here. I'm a design team member with the Wild Hare Kits and one of the trio that is part of the Scrapstorian blog, Facebook, and Instagram. And today I'm here as the design team member with the Wild Hare Kits to do my unboxing of my, what are we into, April Petite Kit. So this month all of us design team members with Wild Hare are doing Petite Kits, and this is a great way to show you just how far you can stretch a smaller amount of product, a smaller price point, and also many of us will also show you how you can use one of the Petite Kits just to infuse a little something different or a little something special into your scrapbooking while still also being able to use up your own stash, which is always good because I feel like we're always stockpiling. So this for me is the Petite Kit, and this month I asked for bright, fun, you know, just kind of everyday stuff. I started with the Wild Hare Kits challenge, which was the 30 Days of Thankful in November, which is kind of classic for November, and where you document each day something that you're thankful for. And I didn't take it as a day-by-day challenge. I kind of just started and thought it would be a great little book to have. And I'm almost done. This is that 30 Days of Thankful. This is my book so far, but I have quite a few prompts left. Not too bad, probably about 10, if that I thought, oh, at this month, because we're using a Petite Kit, what I'll do is I'll ask for a lot of bright colors and good stuff that would go with what most of my thankful traveler's notebook to date is with the Whimsical collection from Paige Evans. So I thought, oh, if there was another collection that would go well with this collection, with the Whimsical, then I'd love to see it. And this is what the Wild Hare Kits provided, which is just amazing. So quite a bit of Kaleidoscope. We've got some Amy Tangerine in here, and sorry, Kaleidoscope is from Vicki Boutin. I think it's going to go really well and just keep going in that kind of bright, thankful kind of lens and scheme that I was going for with that Traveler's Notebook. So without further ado, let me show you all the pieces that I got. So first up, because it's my favorite, I have to show you, is these American Craft Thickers. And sorry if there's any glare, it's actually sunny here in Vancouver, so we're going to take advantage of that for good light. And these are just a kind of a lot of just really fun words I think that you can use on everyday stuff, and I definitely think would work well in a thankful album. I love this colorful, oh, it's like rainbow. Anyway, gorgeous. That'll be really good. Then also in here is the Amy Tangerine collection. This includes foil pieces as well. So I'm just gonna flip it over and show it to you that way there. And you can see all the little pieces. And this little hedgehog is just too great. I absolutely love him. But I think this will go really well. Again, just kind of with that thankful everyday theme. I think it's gonna be really good. And the colors are fabulous. Really go well with the Whimsical collection that I started the TN with, so it'll be good. And like avocados, seriously, we eat them all the time. I love it. So, also from Amy Tangerine is these magnetic bookmarks. And look at, there's a little hedgehog again. Can you see him? Anyway, I love it. So those will be really cool, especially for a traveler's notebook, just to have something on there. And of course, the more I look through this, I know I'm going to end up doing some 12 by 12s as well, because that's my traditional style, and these are just too fabulous. So those are the magnetic bookmarks. I also got some of the, what is this, 8 by 6 paper. This would be from the Kaleidoscope collection from Vicki Boutin. And what I love about her 8 by 6s, and I'm not sure if the other designers are doing it, but I definitely know in a 6 by 6, it sometimes doesn't happen, that hers are actually double-sided, which is absolutely wonderful. I feel like sometimes when I get a 6 by 6 piece or even an 8 by 8 or 8 by 6 piece and it's not double-sided, I kind of feel a little shorted. Like, so I'm so used to having an A and B side to play with and having two things that automatically match, and then I don't have to worry about it. So I love that these are all double-sided. So I'll just pop through these for you. So there's the hearts. I love this. It like gorgeous. Good. And even the branding strip on each side is different, you'll notice, which I think like well played. Super cool. Some butterflies. Oh, I see some fussy cutting in my future. And while these are white based, like it's not a cream base, it is more of a distressed kind of white in the background, and I think that's going to be kind of cool to play with. I find if there's a little bit of distress in what I'm doing, or if I can create distress, then I find it easier to journal. I don't think my messy writing looks as messy if there's already a bit of mess on the page, if that makes sense. Making stuff happen, that's awesome. Cute. Oh, I love that. That's cool. Like that 12 by 12. Also from the Vicki Boutin collection, her new Kaleidoscope is her holograph paper. Hopefully that comes through. It's a bit sunny in here, so maybe I will try and catch some glare. So these are, maybe if I put it down, florals, which I think would be great fussy cutting, but also just as a piece in there. Would be great to just make this kind of a little bit of a dashboard in a traveler's notebook. So just have like one saying, not even a picture, just to really show this off in there, so that'd be good. And then as well with this month, I got the cut file. I'm just going to find a piece of paper that it's going to look really sharp on. We'll go with a green birdie. So this is the cut file this month for April. So you don't generally get the cut file in the Petite Kit unless you ask for it. And I love playing with the cut file, so I do always make sure it's in my kit. But no matter what, it automatically comes in your deluxe kit for sure. But when you get either deluxe or the Petite, you get access to the cut files. And I believe you get them for access for like the last year. So there's some serious good ones in there. So that's an extra boon as well when you get a kit. And so this month we'll all be working with this little birdie. And he's quite cute. So that is my Petite Kit, and I think I'm going to be working on, well, what I asked for was this Traveler's Notebook, the Thankful Traveler's Notebook that I wanted to finish off. But of course, as I get into this, then I see how I'd love to like make a grid with some of these, and yeah, so we'll see. There'll at least probably be a couple of 12 by 12s in there for sure, because I can't help myself. So anyway, that's me for April. Happy crafting, and we'll be sharing lots of what we create as a design team on the Wild Hare Kits blog, Instagram, and Facebook. If you're not part of our Facebook group, please come find us. We'd love to have you. And I'll also be featuring this stuff on my Instagram at Brandy Davison and at Scrapstorian, as well as the Scrapstorian blog. Thanks.